Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and if you are a returning viewer, please thank you, and keep sharing it because today we are making a Nigerian soup. So we are going to make okra soup, and I have my friends from Nigeria. So this is not me, it's going to be made by a Nigerian, and she is going to introduce to us all the ingredients that are required to make the okra.
So today we'll be preparing Nigerian soup. It's called okra soup. So actually we are in China, and you might not actually have all the ingredients and everything we need to prepare this soup. So we have to make do with what we can find in China. So here we have crayfish, so buy and grind it. Then here we have seasoning, we have maggi, there are other types of seasoning that you can also get. We have the pepper, the red bell pepper, your salt, your fish. Yeah, we got this fish in China, and it's quite cheap, like 14 kwai. Then for the okra, we got 2 packages. It's quite cheap, like 4 point something kwai there. Normally in Nigeria we use pumpkin, but here because we can't find pumpkin, so we have to substitute it with spinach. Yeah, so in Chinese it's called bo tai, so we have to use spinach for this. And we have our meat for our chicken thigh, and yeah, the main ingredients for this soup, which is the red oil. And so the first thing is to cut the okra. So me personally, just put the spinach, like spray it around the soup so you can be able to mix. So it's not compulsory to put all the spinach at once, so you just put in gradually until you feel it's okay.
Then mix
Yeah,
well.
stir very well.
Please see how it's looking, guys.